Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Mirrors aren't just designed to add a decorative touch to an interior. They are also perfect solution for making a space feel brighter and larger. The decoration with mirrors is an art actually. For many, the use of mirror is still limited to being able to see our faces while we dress in the bathroom, or to have reference point where we can look before leaving home to check that we are well dressed. Beyond their practical use as an aid for personal grooming, strategically adding mirror to your bedroom, entryway or living room will add life and sparkle to otherwise overlooked areas. Mirrors have almost a magical ability to make a room seem bigger and brighter and can be used to visually expand the size of smaller homes. But honestly, they make for excellent decorating ideas. The possibilities of decoration with mirror go beyond that. Since time immemorial, mirrors have been cultural element, sometimes even the protagonist of great stories that we all remember, such as Snow White and its ever gentle mirror. If culture sees them as a powerful element, why not us? The latest trend in interior decoration show that decorating walls with mirror is a practical necessity. That way we can exploit all the characteristics of the house to the maximum. Though the strategic placement of mirror is one place or another. However, everything will depend on the size, style, color, shape, natural light of the room, and also the function that the mirror really has to play in that space. Sometimes they are simply there to make the place bigger and others to multiply the sensation of light. Yet others are only mirror to look at, but full of style and in harmony with us and our house. Square or rectangular framed mirror are the most commonly available, but don't limit your ideas for decorating with mirror to only these shapes. Round mirrors can be used as a central focal point in rooms and make space feel more relaxed and inviting. For a more modern twist, mirror decoration ideas that incorporate interesting shapes or groupings of smaller mirror will give your room a cleaner and more energetic vibe. Or if you prefer old world charm, consider upgrading your mirror to more ornate gold or silver leafed frames. When thinking of ideas for decorating with mirror in your home, it's important to keep the scale and theme of your decor in mind. A large modernistic mirror will stand out negatively in charmingly rustic room, but the right mirror decoration ideas can tie the look of a room together while adding light and liveliness to the home. Mirrors create a sense of space, absorb the image and light of a space and make it bounce, thus providing a double sensation in both brightness and depth. You could say that strategically placing a mirror in place in the dining room would be like adding windows. This is possible if we place the mirror facing one of the window with more light and have a very wide view of the outside. In this way, the exterior will be inside our house as well as all its light, converting a simple dining room into a beautiful viewpoint that will give us a pleasant feeling of well-being and spaciousness. It is important to remember that one of the key to the balance of energy of a home is in its decoration, specifically if the strategy of element that distribute space and light. Therefore, by decorating with mirrors, we will contribute to the harmony of the home and our interior. Surely you have always been told that less is more, right? Well, although this statement is entirely correct, If we want a decorating wall with mirror in a minimalist way, there are times when excess may also bring us more benefit. Imagine your living room. Surely it will have a table, some window, furniture, lamp, and some other doors. Well, now imagine that one of the wall, preferably the one that is taller, wider, and focused towards some window or point of light, is all full of mirrors. The feeling of space will multiply, not to mention the elegance and distinction that it will bring, all these mirrors covering an entire wall. Also, if your dining room has a small, the mirror murals will duplicate that space, extending the floor and ceiling. Although each house is different, therefore each room will have a different result when applying this wonderful decorative trick. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern wall mirror designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to make our subscriber aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the links in the description box below this video. You like puzzles? Imagine seeing your room divided into 20 parts or your own reflection. This is possible using a framed mirror. Of course, these type of mirrors are not ideal to be able to see your face well. While you make up, you would also be looking at each small square in order to have a sharper image of your face. Its function is purely decorative, to bring dynamism and fun to the space. They are often used strategically in hallways or walls that reflect a wide area, and just like that, the puzzle effect is even greater. At this point, something similar to a wall full of mirrors happens. Don't be afraid to bet on large mirror, preferably a mirror design that matches the stay and is also fashionable. If you have a small room you want to add depth to, a fully body mirror is your best alternative. You will be able to see that by placing a large mirror against the wall without hangers or feet. Simply place a large mirror with an elegant frame supported by the main wall of the room. This way, you will create a great amplitude in addition to giving the place an undeniable romantic touch. They are also useful in narrow alleys of the house, which in appearance contribute nothing and are difficult to decorate. Placing a large mirror there will totally change that perception and all attention will be on it. Another very original idea that is increasingly used among youth married couples is to treat mirror as decorative unit within the same wall gallery. For example, if you like illustrations with rustic frames and have some wall decorated with them, dare to introduce several mirrors to complement that wall. It will be enough to use similar frames for the mirror and to place them to one or the other of the illustrations, as if everything were part of the same collection of pictures. The appearance of space will largely depend on the style with which it is decorated. It won't make us feel the same going into a totally white room full of light-toned wooden furniture and lace tablecloths, compared to as if we went into another room with saturated colors and metal furnitures. They have to go in harmony with the environment and if possible apply a touch of contrast and distinction that balance all the elements. For example, we can place a mirror without frame, totally naked and polished in the center of a large mirror. We will be transmitting elegance, sobriety and distinctions, but on the other hand, we want to create an intimate and thoughtful space. We can place a small mirror with vintage style golden frame that enhances that feeling of intimacy typical of a room or a vanity. This is more technical aspect within the decorating walls with mirror, but it is not for the reason less important. Sometimes a beautiful design mirror and also very expensive can be a real failure, especially if we do not know how to replace it. Height and reflection will always be the key. Unlike art painting that always have to be at eye level, mirrors do not always meet this standard. There are mirrors that obviously have to be at height that allows us to observe our reflection. It's true, but most of the time they should be at height that allows them to compare as much light as possible, while also providing a sense of space by reflecting outside areas. Round wall mirrors are a valid option for any period and style. The rounded shapes have proven to be a very versatile option, bringing harmony and elegance whenever you put them. In addition, round shapes always give you more option to give free rein to creativity, thus being able to create funny composition on wall that before did not tell you anything. Simply place 5 or 6 round mirrors, each of different size but sharing them the same frame, and you will get a beautiful glass mural whose meaning will be very depending on its reflection. Despite being considered an outdated design, any large format round mirror will bring a touch of elegance and distinction to the room. Certainly a successful choice no matter what your style. Possibly when you consider the choice of mirror, the most common is that you think of rectangular frame mirrors, round or with curled edges, but the truth is that there are many more options. The key is to being able to combine all the elements well. At the same time that we bet on something much more innovative and only suitable for more modern decoration that like to bet big. We are talking about mirrors with geometric patterns. Certainly a choice that will fall in love with some and horrify others. It all depends on the person, but the truth is that a large mirror with gold geometric frame and metallic reflections does not sound so bad. It all depends on the environment. Mirror decorating is becoming more and more popular in interior decor, either because of its multiple design options or because of the number of features it can have. A wall full of mirrors can become your best ally. Friends, hope you like this video on modern wall mirror designs. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you.